Hi beauties, welcome on back to my YouTube channel. It is IKM, your makeup artist. So I made this video because I want to tell you guys why I haven't been posting here on my YouTube channel. I started this channel having an idea of bringing people of different skin types to come and model for me so I can show you guys how makeup looks on different skin types. But finding people to come and model for me is very difficult and it kind of delays me from posting regularly on my YouTube channel. So I made this video to test myself if I am comfortable and confident enough to post videos of me wearing makeup here on my YouTube channel. So I am literally taking a walk outside my comfort zone because somebody just told me life opens up when you do. So I just figured, why not? So if you guys would like to see tutorials of me doing makeup on myself, please comment down below and that will be highly appreciated. Okay you guys, thank you so much for watching. If you would like to see a detailed tutorial video on this look in this video, please tell me down in the comment section and enjoy the rest of the video. Till next time, bye guys.